How's everybody doing today? Well, we've been working on race cars. I couldn't get my camera to charge. We got her fixed again. So, I'll show you what I got done so far. Start on the deck in Aubrey's car. I got to put a new end on the battery cable now. It fell off yesterday. Now, we've been working on ours too. Got one new side on it. We about got hers buttoned up in here. There's my new body. Got the front end on it. Changing her up a little bit this year, but my daughter will be out here in a minute. She's gonna help us, and we'll show y'all what we're gonna be doing here shortly. Alright, y'all. Aubrey made it. She's cold. She's gonna put this end on here. Now, you gotta stick it back on. Let me twist this up a little bit so we get a little bit better. It come off yesterday when we was trying to turn it over. I rewired the tack on it. So we're gonna put a record clamp on it. Alright, what you gotta do? Here, hold the camera. Let me loosen this up a little bit more. We're gonna loosen this up far as we can go with it. To make sure we can get all that wire that we can get in it. Alright, you ready? Got look at show them what we're doing. We're gonna put this in this hole. Flip her over. And there you are. Now tighten her down, sugar.
Where am I supposed to?
Get your ratchet.
Is it the correct way?
Yes, it looks like it is. You might do it by hand just for a second, because you got the gap in it. Just do them all even about the same.
I don't know how to do that. I think that's good.
Now see if you can tighten her down tight.
It's not the correct one.
Is that a half inch?
It's not the correct one.
It don't matter. Put it on there. It's a 12 point. Nope, it's too big. I'm 7/16.
It says half.
And we're gonna have a 7/16.
Same ratchet?
Yep. Alright, we'll be right back. Just like I showed you. Alright. Let me hold it up for you. There you go. Hey, if you're gonna race, Phil, you gotta know how to do all this stuff.
Still don't want to work.
This ratchet here might be the jump one. This here's probably the jump. We gotta find another ratchet now. We're gonna throw this one in. Alright, just found another ratchet. Sometimes you may have to hold the socket. Now I'll do it. I'll hold it for you. See that?
It's not.
Alright, go to the other side. Tighten it up a little. Try to keep them about the same.
I don't think this ratchet's working.
Yeah, it is. See it? Not that long.
Huh?
Not that long. You can go over and see. Alright. Go the other side. Doing a good job. Look at that concentration, y'all. She's doing a fine job.
I'm tired.
She went to her friend's house last night and stayed up partying all night.
Stayed up till 2:30. It's not that late. There.
Now let me check it. Make sure you get good and tight. Let me see. You don't want this to fall off, I promise you. let's hook it up. I'll make sure this thing's gonna work. All right, let's see if she's gonna turn over. Come on, Aubrey. Let her do this.
What am I supposed to do?
I was going to get you to push the button, see if it's going to turn over.
Do I have to flip the new switches?
Turn the main switch, so I hooked the tack up the right way.
Was the tack not correct?
That one right there. Turn the main on. I'm gonna make sure it didn't get no smoke or nothing. Cause I read that, pulled it up online and see how to hook it up.
Flip this.
Flip the main up. Now just turn the on switch on. See any smoke anywhere?
I think we're good.
Alright, let me take this off here.
Why is the blue light not on?
Cause it ain't hooked up. Alright, push the button. Alright, shut her down. It's all working like it should. We're doing a fine job on that. Now let's get busy. Time to build some body parts. We're gonna work on both cars again. Alright, here we go, y'all. What we're doing here, we're gonna straight our old door out. And we're gonna trace that around it, and we'll cut that out. It don't take long at all to put new sides on this baby. This here is aluminum. This here is plastic. And we put the plastic braces on it too. Or should give a little bit. I'm tired of wasting all that money on that aluminum mess. So we're gonna try this year on my car. If I like it, you may see the first ever factory stock with it on there next year. All right, I'm gonna get this beat out, get a new piece cut. Here we go. All right, y'all, we'll get this measured out real quick. See what we got here. We got, I think we make it about 90 inches long. What you end at? It goes in right there for the fender well, don't it? It goes in for the fender well, don't it?
Yeah, that's the longest point.
Make her 90 inches. Alright, let's go up here to the other stuff. Gotta find my pencil we had yesterday.
The yellow one?
Yeah, I think it's a pencil.
Probably. I can't go this way.
Alright.
You need to sharpen it.
Yeah, I ain't got my knife on me. So we gotta sharpen a little pencil real quick. Alright, y'all, I don't know if y'all ever use this stuff. This is that, what do you call it? Stalks, whatever it's called. This stuff will run raw on you. You better keep something on the bottom of it.
Has it unrolled on you before?
Hey, when we untook it, they about got us. 90 inches there, buddy. Get me straight edge. Go on back some more. There's 90 right here. 90.
Should be right there.
There's 90. Alright. Then we'll draw us a straight line on it. I'm fixing to haul a load of scrap off, y'all. I'm gonna clean this place up. Alright, let me go back here and put these back on. Make sure you put something on the bottom. That stuff will keep on going with you. And I promise you don't want to keep unrolling. I go back there and get my cutters.
$90 I don't think that's anything.
Alright, y'all. I bought these off Amazon for 10 snips. Well, I'll tell you, they some bad little jokers. It works good to cut this. There's the doors. Take it back there and we'll trace around.
Sorry.
Alright, everybody, that's how we do it. We just get our old door up here. Get her lined up.
And you want to make sure that...
Yeah, get you all wrapped, by the way. And we'll just trace this baby out. Then you got your holes here. We'll drill in. Want to trace that side of them? You want to trace it?
Sure.
Straight across the bottom. I'll hold it down here.
I stepped on something.
But Aubrey doing the work, y'all. She does a fine job. Where's the drill at? So I'm gonna go ahead and drill her hole.
Drill these first. Got the right bit in it.
Alright, y'all got that? I think the other bit's it's on the ground right there. We go ahead and drill our holes for a brace in it. Well, we ain't gonna do none of it. There, use the big bit for that. That's for the bolts. You gotta change the bits for the top side up here. No, right there.
That's pretty.
We've got these down here though. No,
No, we
can't do them yet. We gotta redo that again. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get this joker cut out. I'm gonna cut out. I'll let Aubrey video y'all. So here we go. You ready, Ab? Mm-hmm. We're gonna hang them doors on the walls up here. We may put one of them on her car.
Maybe.
Make it work.
Right.
I think we got a white one that looks a lot better than black. Y'all, that's some good stuff. Look at this stuff. Y'all ain't never seen it. Pop right back to shape, y'all. I gotta finish this up. I missed a little spot here, y'all.
When I that Chris Payne movie, the car just popped back up.
You got a glare on it from the light. Oh, we dead in the water. There's the other battery. Oh, y'all gotta change battery if we died. Charger should be up there for that. Oh, yeah, a little charger and put on that. No, just plugs in the end of it.
No.
No, I gotta hold this up just a little. Y'all, these things, sir, I think I gave $100 for them from Amazon, shipped to the house. They some neat little deal. They do good on sheet metal too. Mm-hmm. Hey, we shouldn't have never cut that out.
Why?
Why? Because I got to redo all that. Do not cut that. That's the front side. We shouldn't have cut that.
Huh?
Shouldn't never cut that.
That's the front side?
Yes. Maybe we'll be alright. We'll have to hang it up there and sleep.
We should be.
Because the outfits cut that off and it don't go on the same over there. But I had to make that one match yesterday, so we might be alright. I hope we're alright.
Yeah.
If not, that's going to be a quarter panel. Alright, y'all. We're going to get her stuck on the car and get her boats. Get her boats ready.
Lay downtime.
Don't matter. Alright, everybody. I believe we're going to make it work. Or I made boo-boo. But how we did our body, we use bolts on it. Where you can bolt it on and off anytime you want to. This has got to go under it, so.
You mean above it?
Well, that's the roof one. But it ain't lined up right. Something ain't right. Right there's pretty close. You got a boat? We'll shoot. Thank you, Adam. That's the best way to do it, buddy. You can bolt the molding off. You don't cost all that money in pipe rivets. Once you get your clips and bolts, save you some money and time. I'll take this one back out. The quarter panel goes there too. Alright, y'all, let's get this quarter panel, get it straightened out. Here we go. Alright, y'all, see where this lip is right here? I'm gonna cut this off right here, straight down through here. And it's got a lip on the bottom side of it. And I'll cut that lip. See, I'll show y'all what I've done. The battery in my camera must not be no good. We're going to make it a short video today. So I did this side yesterday. I just run up in the back side of it, pop it up. Now it looks all smooth there. But just want to give everybody a little update on what we've been doing here in the shop yesterday. I've been off work all week and been deer hunting, me and my daughter. My wife's been out here to help me. She's in the house folding clothes right now, but she likes coming out here to help us. But we're gonna get the camera on charge once again. I just charged this thing up. The battery must be dying completely in it. But that's it for today's episode. I'll get back with you soon. Probably make another video tomorrow. Another Briley. Say hi, Bri. Well, she's shy, y'all. Say hi, bye, Aubrey.
Bye.
Hey, bye, Gary.
See you later.
Hi, y'all. Talk to y'all later. We'll give you an update tomorrow.